Welcome back to Tugger TV. This is a brand new movie. You betrayed my trust. Watch it to the end. You understand? Make sure you enjoy it. Any part on the like, just comment down in the comment section. Yeah man, we're there for the right. Big up yourself. What are you doing? Miss me?
Well, you never gone for long, so.
Yeah, I run from my mind still, that's why. They are up on the look work there, I can't focus, so. Just so I can give a check.
But you see me every day, so you mean I can't focus?
I know, but I just feel like you're mad me. You know, you just always up on my mind, I'll let me try if you not consider it, but you just up on my mind, I'll let me try fight it. Because I'm there work a while ago and I go on water, so I weed them. You understand? And I just wonder if you're okay. My mind just dip on you, as I say.
You sure you're not coming and watch me?
Well, I know that me I can't do it, you know, but it's good to watch where you have. You understand? So I know watch me, I watch us, but no, you're always on my mind.
Don't you? I came in the yard, clean up and I look for something to eat. After that,
just left them the boy up there for go and water some of my weed, you know.
see you
But
hungry?
yeah, I kind of feel a bit hungry. It's coming in eating for the morning.
Okay, leave out this man and say no one, man. So someone say, alright
You
then.
know, through me always at the pan of work, you know, me always at the pan of work, so you just buy one chips on the road, you know, buy one ginger beer for belch could gas or something. You understand? So, oh yeah, did have something on the find?
Yeah, me I look about something now.
Well, I ain't that messy when I come in, you know, to be honest, you know, I just come and walk around and I don't frighten you, but hungry the pan to say it could work.
Alright, and then go.
One day I'm not go back on the work and just build with you.
No!
You know what something they don't do everyone I work them already.
Yo!
Yep. So like I'm breaking that reach. I pray.
Yo, me don't know what I with them in the father.
You don't know what I with them?
Yeah, and the two girl them two scribble the way if you come pick you with them, father. I know me not see them girl there.
Yo, that me not like, you know, you. Me always tell the girl them say, be on time. You see me? Because you know, few time at 8 o'clock if you reach up. I'm tell them say, yo, reach up by 11:30, 12 o'clock. I know they don't reach.
Oh, me see father man, that pay water me if you spray me and set me alone.
I there, so me I come here a check for my mom.
Bad man, I watch mom's too much my yard. Come in my yard, you must have
Talk about watch mom.
2 acre land for cut down in the brother plant up with them must find
out for me.
purpose for cushion them sitting in the brother and not joke business them and my mom's can't.
So when you at work, you not watch to make your money. You not watch your work to make your money.
Mom's have to watch me, I idiot. Come on, go up on the acre land. Can I watch woman and we have so much weed and such. Tell man that I will look back to.
Baby,
Yeah?
come here.
Come here, man.
Nah, my fault. I go back on the work. I'm after a girl to pick you weed them. My fault.
Idiot girl ain't come.
I told we have something to deal with today. It's not that make you come pick you for me, you see me?
I didn't even know.
But bad dog, remember your bag still.
Me I finish, but me don't cook my food there.
Alright, baby, love you here.
I love you, bye.
Alright.
Yeah.
Are you making man can't get me do no good work up a bush enough? Cause every minute I get up on him mind, you know?
Yeah. Then I put something that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Then I bring me you put in the head I get him mind. Far away. Brother, me have your water, a whole of them are sitting in my yard. And next piece of weed them over there so I girl and fear pick daddy. They not show up.
Yo.
You don't even know father.
So far, everything I grow good still, you know. You see me? And I know we are going to make a good money and fight. You see me?
I'll make sure it's not insect on the pan them as eat. Because then caterpillar here. And then we
Yo, smell on a boy.
Smell them from morning, brother. You just a smell them because you're late. You smell the whole of them already.
So you say, like how we have to pick them in a car if a girl not coming on, how we have to pick them?
Let them want to go pick, bro. One of them have to pick over this already.
But they can't go in, they know so they not get no pay, you know.
Mad.
Because if them not picky, you know, they can't get no money, you know.
Brother, you think we joke with the drugs? Hmm? You know much ammunition we have to watch out them drugs and something, brother?
I don't want to name Purple. Oh, wait, what do I want to name? I should remember when.
Bombard.
Purple. Tangic.
I want to insect this, sir. See, caterpillar, them want me to talk about you. You see what me to talk about, brother? Let's take time and take him off, so dog. Watch your hand. I mean, they kill him, because when we go back up there, you know. Me not like pillar, much less caterpillar. So I'm put the things them here.
One more depending again.
You have to look for them good, you know. Jesus, peace.
But
For you see one alone or two pairs, see it? Teach you something about them. See them mouth here. You see mouth? We then like high grade. So when they eat this, then get high. Hold them and look on him. Afraid of sitting there in a bush.
no, you the time when you run through the joke you.
Yeah, you're afraid of caterpillar. What do you want to do? A pick?
Go pick you with them. Come
Hold on, man. I'll make sure I say caterpillar on the pan. Boss sting them, you know. Get out of hand.
Bad boy, no can't just check in tomorrow because we'll pick you with them here.
Yeah, man. And yo, line up water back good, that's it.
Alright, my father. We are going to the bush to pick you with them. Come in, bad boy.
Look, come on, Jonah. Alright.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Mr. Palmer, sir. Yeah, Mr. Oil here. I'm on the spot. Yeah, I'm so sorry that, I get all up in traffic. I'm so sorry about that. What I was saying now, I'm on the spot, but I don't see the family that, sir. Yeah, hello? Hey, Matty. Listen, Matty, I'm so sorry right now. I'm taking care of some business, but I can send someone to pick it up. That's okay with you? Yeah, I'm gonna send someone to go and pick it up. I'm on the work right now. Okay, sure. Where? By the house? Okay, alright, no problem. Okay, alright, bye. Yes, sir, Mr. Palmer, I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, just a friend, just want to say hi. So I'm on the spot right now. I guess the people was supposed to want to sell the house. I guess they leave. Yes, sir. No, I'm 3 hours late. As I said, I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, I'm 3 hours late, but you can send me a number in the meanwhile. Oh, sir. Alright, hold on. I'll call you back. I see someone from the community. Okay. Hello, excuse me. Sorry about that. Yeah, excuse me. Mr. Brown, I just want to check. Are you from the area?
Yes, right down there somewhere.
Oh, okay. So I'm just saying, this is the right place, Mr. Brown. I think he passed away.
Yeah, Mr. Brown was dead. Yes, I did live.
Oh, you know him?
Yeah, I know him. He was a nice person. Everybody in the community loved him.
Okay.
He was a nice person.
I'm so sorry about
Sad
that.
saying pass away. See?
Oh, that's damn, that's the banner.
Yes, that's the banner.
Okay. So I guess you animals close?
Well, not really, but
But he's a
from
nice
me I
guy.
grew up, I hear a lot of good things about him until I meet him.
Well, why I'm here right now, I think the family trying to sell the house.
Oh, I think I hear about that once, but
So I'm right here now. I'm trying to get to the people.
oh, you try to get to them.
Yeah.
Well, you don't have them number now?
Yeah, I'm at I think Mr. Palmer.
Yes, Mr. Palmer.
Mr. Palmer, right, Mr. Palmer. But my boss is gonna text me a number. I could call the people.
Well,
Tell you what, let's go with the sun, man.
Alright.
Spoil your beauty.
I passed here earlier and I saw a couple couple people out here. I think they were waiting on someone, but I'm not sure.
To be honest, I'm the one they're waiting on.
Oh, you?
But I was so late because of traffic.
Well, I guess
Listen,
they're
I'm
gone.
so sorry to stop you and take up so much of your time. But nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, okay. And what's your name?
Oh, my name is Britt.
Oh, Brittany.
And what's yours?
Oh, that's a wonderful name. But you can call me Hamar. The ladies call me Hamar.
Alright, no
I would
problem.
like to meet you sometime again.
Okay, no.
Have a nice day, right?
Alright, same to you.
Okay.
Good luck. I'm waiting on them. Hope they be back soon.
Alright, big up yourself here.
Alright, bye.
What's your name again?
Brittany.
Just check it.
Alright.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm at the right spot. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna call him right now. Okay. Yeah, good day, sir. Mr. Bennett, that's correct. Yeah, I'm the person you're supposed to meet. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just running some traffic. Yeah, but I'm at the spot. And it's a very nice house. I can see a lot of space at the back. But question, how much you looking for this offer? Alright, I tell you what. Just give me all the necessary information. You can just send it on this number on WhatsApp. It doesn't matter. And I will get back to you. And one more thing, sir. As I say, I'm so sorry that I messed up. Yeah. Alright, have a nice day. And one more thing, I'm so sorry about your father. I was just talking to a female from the community, and he said your father was a very, very nice person. So I'm so sorry about your loss. Have a blessed day, you and your family. Okay, sir. I will get back to you. Okay.
Me say me didn't know you carry me on a face me there and share
I
so
make
much
different
food.
numbers, man.
Well, I tell you, say, I'm hungry really.
Hungry too.
It was a long day because I'm gonna tell you, say, the girl ain't never forward, so I'm generally in for picky weed them or something.
You look hungry. What are you belly? If me ever did beg me some food, can I smell it pat and I say I give her some.
Which one?
You know what I say the picnic, the tree picnic there.
Find three picnic and make food there.
Me just share food na this a bit two picnic man in a this a few man one a day.
Listen me be make this be first and then last. Yeah, give them people their food. Because whole heap of time me see you go.
Can you play?
And all I tell them say.
Okay,
Hold on
now.
about that. Because you're going like you want to come eat food before me.
Me like to play there.
A whole heap of time me see you go there. I beg them things and me see. All of the day go say you want 2 slices of bread.
Babe, listen.
And then say they're not happy and then happy. And you give them the people food. You know this is food that can stay and we eat it later. I'm not ramp with my food and
Listen, baby, I get food. Oh, you're so greedy.
some more food I will left in our part so we can eat later.
Me not like your style, trust me. Me not like your style. You feel like sharing is caring.
People not share with you.
Me not gonna argue with you and I'm gonna share the food.
No.
Yeah, me people, they always give it to me.
Next time.
And every time I'm now baby, I
No,
go
as
get
me
food.
say, this be the first and the last. You understand?
Alright, you know.
Ramp with my
But I don't like how they want to make
but they give them
food,
money.
food.
I don't give them no food.
Give them money?
Yeah, give them money for buy food. You know, I like people ramp up with my food.
Bro, that plate match my shirt. That plate them on.
Yeah man, we're going all off. I'm going to tell the guy fun breeze, because right now.
Do what I do?
Oh, the place nice though.
Yeah, watch out now. But I feel like say you're going to hold this, you know, and then you can't go in, bro. And then you can't go in.
You can't sleep down one night.
No, so you're mad, man. My friend, me want to play football, man. We have to run around the whole line in the house. And we can't have one place. It's so boring. No, man. So when you play football, you know, you don't have to run back, you don't have to go to the defense, you don't have to go forward more. So that me I try to tell you, in the midfield. So you have to come back to the defense. You see me?
Defense.
Yeah, and with the goal, I have to score a goal, so I can't have you here. I have to play football all over.
How about the start chat today?
I have a GREs, man.
So, you feel me? I hear what you say, I hear what you say, kind of ball and play, no ball and play. Still a lot.
Hmm?
I'm going to start playing.
Maybe part of.
I say you all listen to the room of door pan and something that's why I tell you say if your football field run that's what you say the defense run that's
Yeah. Defensive.
For your football field, part of.
I hold football field. I'm a responsible.
So you ball that?
Yeah, man.
But
When the time right, man, you always forward over here, you see me? Because you know, sometimes when I do it on the field, like sometimes we come on the field, like sometimes change up it
and
and
then football that?
Yes.
But we do kick your hit it. You kick your hit it.
Kick him, man. I say we not eat and we not cheat.
Not all correction.
Yo, bro, I'm going.
What you deal, my brother?
Well, I'm there, you think up.
Yeah, bro, you know, say day my day I do, just come off fire, me and my G day I do, I go and wait for the food. Boy, you know, say, it good, but sometimes, you know, yeah, sometimes I kind of stressing, but we are going holy said you, you see me?
Make sure, no.
Yeah, bro, man, as me say, just not too long come off firework, you know, wife here cook some food.
Just probably off firework, and that, I think so. Long time you know see uncle, is it? So,
What you mean, man?
I wonder if he could have passed through for your holiday. I mean,
You mean, man?
Too rare, you know?
What go on?
The one place, me want to care just so. If I did you alone, they don't know my girls, you know?
Boy, you know, I love my niece still, you know, but maybe I have to pause the football for 1 3 days or so, you see me saying? You can't afford to spend the holiday, man.
You sure? After
Yeah, man.
woman, you know, come no one no problem, you know?
No, listen up. Remember me govern my thing, you know. Remember say me govern my thing, you see me? So she can't pull through, man. I don't say she get enough trouble and she wicked and lie, but you know I'm love her anyway.
She lie, man. She a pure lie. She a tell me what it. Pure lie. So if you come down there and I tell her pure lie, you just call me and make me come. Because she get trouble enough to you know.
Alright,
So
my
we
brother.
left her the day and she just gone.
And Intel PLI.
Pure lie, you know.
But my favorite niece that still, you see me?
But you and my daughter still, you know.
Alright, my bro. So big up yourself here.
If anything tonight or tomorrow, if me get the time.
Tomorrow that
I'm
better.
going to pick her up from her mother.
Yeah, tomorrow that better. If anything I can do, me and Nigel bus park, me pick her up from this.
Alright then.
Alright, my bro.
That a bit space, because you know say, you know, to even go in the White House.
Alright, you up your family here?
No, go ahead, alright. Big up
bro.
yourself. Yeah, mom, definitely.
Alright.
Tomorrow may I sleep over here, no, bro? Tomorrow day, no, bro?
What do you mean tomorrow?
No, you say me can't sleep today. Me can't sleep tomorrow, please, bro.
What do you mean sleep over here? You think my niece a big man? My niece are just 15, you know? What? You mean what? This is a man. I don't know why you want me put myself in a problem now. If my mother brother I'm coming and now come box me down and something and box all you down too.
Me?
What do you mean then you are trouble your niece?
Me
Trouble my niece?
me trouble your niece. Me even know your niece.
Yeah boy, you want to come sleep and me tell us you can't
Sleep
sleep.
here. Me doesn't know about no niece. What me say about niece?
B, that's sorry for share food give me king go and come
You don't see me,
right now.
But with that bad, bro. Just
Brother, the feel you up there, baby.
bush me and daddy I plant up weed and water weed and something.
You move like that.
You can't miss in that village a little bit.
I was trying to mind, baby. You know I'm sorry. Alright, no.
breakfast.
Morning, you. You know, say, me and my body say something to you last night though. I just look back on the message. And I say, brother text me and say I'm going to left out. And he called me yesterday.
Left out, boy.
So he called me yesterday. And then in the kitchen I look about the food, share the food from my brother. He called me and I tell me, say, I'm not going to carry my niece come down here. Come spend some time. But I ask me if that good, because my niece say you want to see me. You see me, so I tell him, say, yeah man. You see me? I know it's good with me. Even though at my place still allow me not push up in your face, but you know, I still have respect for your relationship, so I still have access to it's that good with you, because I know I have space, so I have to access, even though I bed out there still, but you know, sometimes you know you like, Lord, when we're on the work, so that's access, it's that good with it.
Yeah, that's alright with me.
Alright, I can make the bounce on 1 or 2 weeks, but now go over a month. Now go over 1 month or 3 weeks, isn't it?
Alright.
So, what I go do now, I just brush my teeth and sit and wash my face. Isn't it?
Okay.
I'll go up on the road and go and wait till meet me, isn't it?
Alright.
Alright. Hold on.
I'm gonna get up and clean up.
Yo, bro.
Yo, man, I tell you, say, me just reached on south side, you know.
South side.
Yeah, me I look at taxi for coming.
And you know, say, bro, me didn't see message say text me for 6. I say the left
So
out.
go, man, I know you don't wake up then time.
You know, so my time in always 8 o'clock to get up.
Well, jump up now, though.
Yeah, man. Me jump up already, man.
Alright, bro. When we reach I park side, I'm sure.
Yeah, man. Because I'm not even like a bed, man. Because half a 3 I go to my bed last night. You see me, I'm ready all at first. So I just brush my teeth and wash my face. You see me?
Alright, about that.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
You mean you're not gonna be
Me remember say last night half a 3 I go to my bed and before I go to bed, I walk my bed and I saw me a bed again.
Okay.
Yeah, woman. You see me? If I go to my bed half a 3 and me sleep 4, 5, 6, 7 and I get up 8. Eh? Why am I running into bed again?
We never saw nothing, I just...
Oh, can you make it sound like something wrong? You see my baby?
No.
Let me just smell.
No, I'm not seeing
What's the face of a like just Just call me if anything here.
Alright.
I think I carry back a breakfast. Say, what you want for breakfast?
Well.
But I'd feel steak.
No, we don't want that.
What you want?
But they know what me like, so just scare someone me like.
Alright, I brush my teeth and wash my face and I left out. I'm gonna take up my money and look for it. Alright, baby, love you.
Yeah, I love you.
Yes, boy, fresh. Babe, you send your supermarket already,
So the part of this is
so your toothpaste done.
What?
Your toothpaste done already and other day I send your supermarket. You're not giving me but my toothpaste.
One time.
B, you know long mean they squeeze out the toothpaste, so me have to fight the toothpaste.
Remember, say every day I brush teeth every night. Sometime in the day, in the evening, and I feel like my teeth want brush me, I go brush my teeth.
So harm to me.
You know, they here you brush teeth one time and come back home and I brush teeth at night time. Just 2 times a day I brush teeth. I brush teeth all 3-4 times a
B,
day.
where you tell me say I want big old of toothpaste, where you tell me say that look like I know just me and you alone I use it. That look like somebody else I use it.
Nobody else
They're
man.
too kind and people not kind to you, you know.
Maybe people
Anyways, when I go and go on the road,
they can't, they can't.
brother must
afford
reach me.
people.
You got too much attitude, man. So you're going and you're full of attitude too much, man. Later.
Like me I say, focus already now. Now come down here, hungry so now. We run up. I see on the phone and on time say, 8 o'clock at night time to take it from you. To go your bed. Yeah?
Yeah.
You know what I feel they come now for you to eat, man. Tell them tell lie already. Say you know who you be. So look for me like a lie, me I tell you. You have everything like back?
Yeah.
I'm going to my back when I come up. Some man that takes so long, man. The time to me a break for back. So you can just have a car.
Good man, big man,
Get big and
yeah, man, when you get big, man, you want to grow up, you think you know start forever.
young people. You heavy?
Good man. So you say, you go differently though?
Yeah, man, I'm just there going to eat the back in the car.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Come on. Serious. The father. We're going to the father. Can't win. You don't get no contact with him, man.
What's in a bro? As I hear that talk about it. You see me, remember say, when I grew up, you know, my father and man normally take care of me, you know. You see me? But through a jealousy, yes, through a jealousy, moment of no one father take care of me.
Even one day I see the done big man, so your father used to send barrel and stuff.
Yeah, because you know want me get my friend just because of jealousy because my father has money. So I said, no, you're not my friend.
Just kind of put him on away, but your mother.
Which made of a father in my life like a your father, you see me?
You will not suffer, you would.
I don't even want to talk about that. Let's pick up yourself and go and talk on it. Yeah. So I know when I reach there.
I look like that. Remember the day by myself.
Yeah, man. You know we have. Alright.
Watch your
Yep.
Good evening. Hi, good evening. How are you guys doing?
Your babe, so it's on my niece, Rachel. And Rachel, this is my wife, even though I'm married to Brittany.
Yeah. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hope you
Alright,
enjoy.
so basically, this a bed here, and we say here look a spot for you there for your time being. And that is the bathroom right over there. And that's the one you have Brittany room in here. And that's the you have the fridge here, so as you can see, kitchen. You understand? So anything you know feel comfortable with, you can talk to me. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So yeah, what I don't know. Your father tell me say you love tell lie and you say you're bad. You understand? But remember, when I did it with you for your time being.
Give me the I'm going in her room.
Yeah, man, no problem. So come to here, I receive my niece. Father tell me say you're wicked and you lie.
I
You
lie.
understand? But listen me, so I talk, man. I'm not up there and I not see what I go on. You understand? But when you're there, around me, you have to have manners. You understand? Now go back answer me, now go back answer Brittany. You understand? I deal with her respectfully. and I deal with you respectfully. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Alright, so I think my girlfriend go cook later, but if she not cook, carry up on the road and make you get some. And you don't leave the yard without telling anybody. You understand? If you left the yard, you call me and tell me. You understand? Or you make Brittany call me and tell me. You know, just left the yard, so come must you not come from down here. Now whole heap of young man down here love the little girl. I mean, I make your father feel say, you come down here and me I go make you broke out. You understand that how he say it already? You understand? So the whole reason why you come down here, because he say you want you to change. You understand? And you know, say you respect me, like you not listen to him, you will listen to me. So hopefully when you go up there, you deal with him like your father.
Yeah.
Alright, so now going to some food, come just go and get comfortable with the place here.
Yeah.
Alright. Princess. So, how many niece? You rate her vibe?
Yeah. She alright, she nice.
Well, now one
And she
thing though.
beautiful when I don't know, like she's cute.
One thing though be looks are deceiving. Cause for me brother tell me say she's a wicked girl. She wicked and she lie. But sometimes they say you can't use
You can't judge a book by its
no,
cover.
not really that. Like sometimes when you hear one side of the story, you have to learn to see the other side. So if you're there and then I saw, then you say, boy,
What if
my
it's a
brother
fair
did right.
side? So.
Eh?
Maybe it's a fair
Yeah,
side.
because if you tell people like them, I don't know, say I true, I see you doing it, my brother, that's alright, but I say I true, my brother, I thought then. But she know for ramp with me, you know. At the same father see them come down, because I know so I don't laugh at her and she respect me more. You see me? But that time I want to say, if I feel my daughter, because I think respect me like I'm your father, but I don't even know
You
how
mean
about
by if I
that.
your daughter?
No, because he deal with me like I'm the dad. You get me, I say? So, I not say nothing disrespectful in the baby. I just want to understand, you know. I just how he deal with me like I'm the dad.
Last time I we cheating on you.
I mean, me cheat, be me what cheat on it?
How from I don't know if you cheat on me, oh me I don't know.
That's just a man. Every time I dip on my weed farm, are you that? Me a video call for my time, me I put on camera, so I show you me a work
But
or
when I
something.
hang up
And when
my
me left
phone,
from a weed farm, a yard me come. So
Suppose-
when me get time for cheat?
See, like when I left yard early, see, like when I left weed farm early and I didn't go look for me. When I left weed farm early, you go look for somebody.
Yeah, nobody heard that, because you see this and now without bringing our argument.
No, when I argue, but
Alright.
that's say something.
Know that. I think me I go hold a wash off for now. So, what do you want for dinner?
You tell me I bring back something, but you never bring back no.
No, because when I look upon you now, me I say, the time did gone, because I stop in the town. Because I never have enough cash for me, so I have to draw money. You understand? Because I end up squeeze my brother and give him a little money, because I know a long time I don't see him. So, I have to draw a little money, so I just say I go buy something to cook for we eat. So, what you want for dinner?
I don't know anything.
Yeah, I wash off. So go and do it. If anything, we walk go night to buy ice cream and get something to eat. But go and do it, I mean, here.
But I eat ice cream, sure.
No be. Go and do it.
Woo!
Maybe there be later me carry out.
Later?
Yeah.
What?
More
You
out.
just say when I'm done bed.
Yeah, so later. Come here go be there, you know me have to relax and take a fan breeze.
Alright then, do it.
Alright, see your facial expression a change. I'll be there and carry them.
Alright then, do that. So me I get myself together.
But you know what I go carry my niece though.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay, alright.
Hi. Bad brother here.
I think so. Oh yeah, talk. My uncle?
Hey, uncle.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, man.
In one room.
Man, I heard me at that, man. Can I show them from there?
Uncle!
Yes, Nancy.
Somebody out here too.
Now, Paul.
I'm saying real bro God, man. Bad bro! What?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, me there.
Yeah, man, I hold me the whole of fresh man, but me have already back first, you know?
What? You want a fresh?
Yeah, me hold of fresh.
Oh. I'm alright back cause them said I mean.
Yeah, man, me hold of fresh, man. So yeah, they differently though.
You get new tattoo, man.
Yeah, man, I mean, man. Up it down, man, you know, I go, man.
Do you know? See, I know, say? Money drop.
Money job?
You mean?
This is a man.
You know, see me? Think when me have another tag and something, brother. You blind?
When you know, if the boss did that show me, though, I didn't realize that, you know. I feel bad for you call me and say, I'm not there on the work today, so I'm not answer. Because I say, I make you do bad today.
You watch your woman too much, bro.
I know woman and my niece, I go pick up father.
When you pick her up?
Today I pick her up, man. Might be around 1.5 hour, I don't know if I so much.
So introduce a niece to your bro God now? We not bro God?
Yeah, man, I'm a G, man, I'm to you, man.
Introduce a niece so she knows me when I come here, she knows I'm not a stranger.
That's my virgin, understand, slash, my co-worker. You know, his name is Toplink and Toplink is my niece, Rachel.
Rachel.
Yeah.
Top link, okay?
Yeah.
So, you know, so when you see him come here, you know, say if you always call me here,
Yeah.
call me forward too.
Bro, I mean,
I know say you, and nobody else.
you make it sound like me some infant killer or something, bro. What you
No,
talking
man,
about?
I never said that, man. I just make sure know, cause when she come here, I make sure know the whole I protocol them. You understand? So I just make sure know. I make sure follow up on them, so I just make sure know. So when you come here, and me come to, so she call me.
Bro, you show him Portugal, you're not telling about friend Portugal business, brother.
Anyway,
You know that,
still.
man.
So boss, send for your account or pick up a friend in person.
No, something like your account business, no, that the account to go take money out of my thing. You see it?
That show still. You see, I don't really like that neither.
Bro, me get mine in person. I tell us I'm not like account business, brother. Cause me go down an account to pull my money. Bank take out money out of my money, brother, and me and bank no work. You watch your woman too much, daddy.
No, for some man.
Who know for some man? You should have opened a bush and pick up the caterpillar them, brother. You don't have to pick up bump and woman and sitting, daddy.
It's the summertime. That's why me a boy, I don't really love the love business.
At that you do, daddy. I do love business.
You know, if you more while I'm go fall in love, you make me not even want to work. I just reminisce about when me and my mind like that. You know what I mean? Right now, all ice cream shop we are going to make carry my niece and my woman.
But I can't tell me about your ice cream argument, brother. And so what I do? I trim my love.
Do I get ice cream?
Niece, that's what I say.
Yeah, man.
Your father tell me about you know. So you see big people attack, you know, jump in height so. You understand? So you wait until me done talk, you ask me that.
So we can't deal with her so like a
No,
prisoner.
because, listen man, we have to put discipline to this and because I make when me carry them go a road, them pass in place. You understand? And even though I'm my brother, daughter, me box her in her face.
To a son, come
You get me?
To a son to me, come like a woman alone you want to eat ice cream.
No man, she go get ice cream, but me I say, she see me attack, she no jump in it.
Say eat ice cream too?
No man, I see me and them me I carry go have ice cream. Me not eat them with something. If I look a boy, when I eat ice cream then a long time, it bump up my skin so me not eat it again. Or else when the policeman come out to them attack.
So you used to eat it with a liquor?
Me I look a boy.
You better sister, man. Anyways.
Yeah, we're going. Now I think me a link boss you know, cause I collect your money.
Collect which money?
I collect your money from. Yeah, baby.
Hi. I'm there ask I'm ready for the.
Yeah man, I'm ready I know man.
Bossy gonna make a film ground, you know. So for your money delay, brother, you have to wait till next 2 weeks for Bossy come back down and send that car. Bossy couldn't get for Terry, brother, for give
Yeah,
you
good
money.
man, you know I'm to you man.
Babe.
Money and no problem, you know.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah man, my beard man.
So I want the same clothes.
You want to say no be that, bro?
You know what that me say?
Oh, so you be that man the same clothes?
I will fight.
Sorry.
Okay.
Just to make your same clothes touch my tag on clothes, you see?
Alright, so you should go out now, so look more here.
Holy, so I can stay and go on.
No man, the place all lock up man.
Oh,
Yeah man.
hold on, I'll go.
Yeah, all the way go man.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I'm ready now. Hey, kid, get your key for...
Say key there.
Yeah, man. Niece, come here. Let me teach you something. You see when I get up? It's for the
Your name is?
Oh.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Your father needs to teach you and you discipline you up there. And nobody feel like me a rush you. You hear me, niece? Me let her teach you right. You understand? So next time you know.
Come on.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Can I ice cream on niece? Can I ice cream on you?
I want a blue one near me. Blueberry. I'm gonna need one of them. I should do
Nice finger scoop. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Sure. Hold on, let me see it. Have grape nut?
Yeah.
Yeah, give me one grape nut for myself. Where say one and see?
what is it? Dragon stout? No. I think banana split.
Banana split with chocolate chips.
Can I get it, please?
Alright, so give me one of that, please, and a grape nut on the other flavor. Kind of love them cake here.
You can get one?
Mr. Next time, I'm going to walk over this and come shine. Alright, so.
Alright? The part they look nice. Very nice. Of course, blueberry is the best. Like, if I want to
So
eat.
go and get yourself comfortable and wait for the change, yeah?
Alright, babe.
Yeah, man.
I'll get one water. I'll get one water. Yeah, buddy? I'm going to go upstairs. The ice cream is sweet.
Enjoy ice cream.
Yeah.
Good news.
Take one water.
You know, reach one and drink water. Money I have now, I have to buy grocery for you today, you know. There's some money I have to get more grocery.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Actually, ice cream is sweet, body. Here's the same wipe up there. Wipe up this and wipe up on the cup.
So you're going to the up at town then? How school and everything? They get some class school though?
No?
That's where?
Yeah.
The teacher didn't talk good boy.
Quiet in a class.
Daddy never come up here. So that's the other alone to get trouble.
We don't get trouble at the yard. Daddy at me.
When you see if I line the hotel for you, you just keep yourself quiet. So I want to go Burger King.
Yeah.
You know I'm about to go on Burger King. But I just go home and just put about some brown stew chicken. You don't have the time for it. I line to get food.
No more. You know something not a problem, right? to the nail salon because I need to get my nails fixed. But it's great to see you again.
Well, to tell you, it was a coincidence to run into you, but I'm just leaving from the lawyer office. Miss Miller. Yeah, me and Miss Miller doing business maybe over 15 years now. She's my lawyer. The type of business we do, I need a lawyer.
So what kind of business do you do?
Well, buy and sell back out, that's how I make my profit.
Yeah, but can also never see the last time.
Tell you what, to be honest, the first time that I saw you, I get a call from my boss, Mr. Palmer. Very, very urgent call to go and start out some business. So basically, I just put on some clothes. But now this is official. This is official when I'm going to do business. This is how I dress. One more thing.
I look totally different.
The lights is gone, you know, you have a lot of money. You have a lot of money, so you know, bad mind corruption always find them way, squeeze themselves way in. You see me?
I understand.
So, as I said before, you're going to set an appointment to your nails.
Yeah, my nails. Not really here, nails mainly. But if the person that is going to me here, well, I guess.
I tell you what, too. The first time that I saw you, business that I was starting out up on the hill. I think phase 2, yeah, you're the one make that business pull through a lot fast. Yeah, maybe it's luck, maybe it's your luck bring that business fast as possible. But you know, I really kind of feel it for Mr. Brown that passed away. You know, kind of really feel sad about the situation. But I guess what, business is business. Well, I tell you what, I'm not gonna spoil the moment. I'm not gonna spoil the day, but really and truly, I would really like the numbers. To tell you what, one more tune, I think about you maybe one or a few times from that first time that I saw you up on the hill. Understand?
Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I have a boyfriend.
Well, to be honest, I really don't think that a nice lady like you don't have a husband or a boyfriend.
Really? Why?
Well, look at you.
What's wrong?
Beautiful, nice.
That's the reason why I have a boyfriend, because I'm beautiful and I'm nice.
And you know the next reason? The next reason because it's beautiful and nice. Maybe someone that's looking at your car and like to drive it from out the mall.
Well, I don't really want to take your number or nothing because that'll cause problem in my relationship.
Alright, I have a better idea. What time is it now? If by now and tomorrow you don't think about me, next time you see me, don't give me a number.
So,
Deal?
I can answer your question?
Sure.
The work where I do, like, you make money?
I tell you what, next time I see you, we give you that information. Next time we see each other, then you tell me if you think about me. And then you can give me the number or maybe not giving me the number. One more time, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Amar, 321-85.
Brittany, think about me quick, man. Give me a number fast and quick.
Well,
Big up yourself here.
Alright.
I will call you.
alright, no problem. Yeah. Rachel?
Yeah, which one you come from, Brittany?
Me I come from the nail salon. I'm
Which
still
nail salon you know the nails them for how you come
because
from?
the lady full.
Okay, so all of a sudden you have a road. Me no know about you again. Normally tell her. Eh? Me not have a phone. No, me normally call.
My phone and pick up no service.
Oh, your phone and pick up no service. All of a sudden your phone now pick up service. Want to WhatsApp, you have a plan.
Listen, me.
Because I buy you one 7-day plan.
Calm down.
Oh, yeah, tell me to calm down. You left me my niece alone in my house. Like you know, no respect for me. Girl, get up from 5 bed and spread up the bed, man. You know, long as you know you're trying to watch on me and get time to spread up the bed. From the first time you come and tell her that you want something, they make me have to tell you again. Baby. sudden you come with attitude, don't?
Me say something to you. Me say
Every time when you go downtown, you da call me and make me know say you go downtown and leave a message on WhatsApp. But all of a sudden you left me niece. If you don't want to take care of my niece, you tell me send her up.
Listen,
or me send her a
let me say
daycare.
something to you. You see, me walk out the argument. You come in here, someone in an argument with me. Listen, don't start with me here.
What do you mean?
Can you know some my mouth don't good? You know some my mouth not good already. Don't start
One
with
your
me.
mouth making no good.
Don't worry yourself about that.
Okay, you have to be your attitude, but watch out. You see, anywhere you go, I have to know that. Okay, see you, normally when you go places, you let me know. And now you're hiding.
But make sure I tell which part me right?
You don't
tell her which part me
when you come back, you tell me.
But that's how I'm going to tell you, you still not believe
that's when
me.
you come back. You come in and find something quick and tell me.
Me tell her niece.
And, normally.
So me go so. Right?
Me
tell her niece that I want me to try to call you, the signal never there pick up. No service never there on my phone. So you need to understand that I know if you deal with woman. You want woman and don't know if you deal with woman. I mean I go sit down and put up with no foolishness with no man. Me tell her that.
Go on man, me not say 40 here.
Say 50
Me not say 40, alright, you hear me?
Yeah.
Because you have no respect for me. From
And you not have none.
That. So you're good. Rachel, where you do at the door? Where Rachel?
Yeah.
Where you do? Come in here, sir. Who gave you name?
Auntie Brittany.
So why you beg Guinea? Your father not teach you for no beg? Brittany did tell us that she go on the road. So how the bed not spread up? Yeah, eat Guinea, but you not spread up the bed and let you do something. Listen me, so I tell you to do something. Hello, when I tell you to do something, you do it and make me have to come back and tell you about it twice. And one time if you tell you and not two. So put on your Guinea and spread up the bed. That me I try to tell you. Yeah, I'm not going to go about my business. Hello, come back in your son.
There's not too much problem, I have a problem. Yo.
I'll spread up the bed. Can't bother the girl anyway. Two man are love her and you think, yo, and just love it one bad argument for you. Yo. I'm a two man for you. I'm angry with the best of me.
Yo, look, so. What's going on?
There you are. I don't say argument me about it, you know.
You're looking like that.
Bomba me woman, man. I come back and say my niece left alone in the house.
Bro.
When you get money, that's a match out, so.
Bro, see how my language changed, bro. I just have a date with a black American.
What's this, man?
I just have a date with a black American.
So when you find one by my left up, so
she told me she don't really like Jamaican patois because she can't speak it, so the flow just dropped in me, bro. Remember it's Dreams Weekend? You just lock up in the house with your crazy woman, bro. Ain't doing it. You watch your woman too much, bro. You watching her too much. You see those high grade? That's what I go on the beach with. The girls smell it in my pocket, bro. That's how I get her.
I don't talk about that. You go up on one topic coming and want to hear about it.
What?
Yo, what kind of man do you have?
You see your life stress, bro? You're in so much stress, bro. Look at you. Fat like a pig. Look at you. Sitting in the house trying to get comfortable around that crazy woman. Huh? Blowing up like a big balloon on the balloon chart. You're like the biggest balloon on the balloon chart.
Are you not the right with your money, because I get my money and I spend it on food, you know. But you spend it and I buy too much front of road.
What? You have to buy front with your money, bro, so you can stay at the front of the line. Don't
but
you?
I say a word. Remember, say your money so done, and say the money done, nobody come over me yard for no food.
What? Done you're talking about? Look at all this, bro. Look at all this. You talking about done? This girl that I just meet, bro, she gonna give me so much care.
Yo, don't stop chatting now, because you chat about something now, and you're it's like an angry man.
Oh, so you know, understand the language? Let me talk to you now. That the little rotum pum there, where you they watch every day in your house. But me talk to you, I come like you not seen them. You not see how I talk to you.
Actually, you know no man front
Brother,
to watch.
you alone
Go
a
and
tick.
go watch for your man
You
front.
know no sense. You just in the little in the house making you have your big gutter spiller. What kind of style them there for you up on the street, brother? Drills weekend, you lock up in the house like you're a mouse, daddy. You're a mouse.
Yo, you know, see your top come over me yard.
But you know no style, you and it make no sense because I tell about my life, the moment I live, brother. Watch it.
Me no want hear.
Watch it, I be a fly up on your shirt and
Me no
I
want
see your clothes
hear,
don't want to wash,
man. Okay,
brother.
man.
Watch it, you fly up on your shirt, your clothes want to wash, brother. Okay, your clothes dirty. You want to young the house and the woman. You said dirty woman, brother. You even could have told your clothes want to wash.
So on 100 full of
Bro, on the beach, bro, look at this white tees.
Yeah, chat to me.
Who chat so much? I'm boxing your face. This I disrespect me out. So me not telling no bad mind boy about my life, them, you know. Here, you me go down your yard too and make sure mom's cook.
Put on out for yard. Put on out for yard. Where you talk about? So I am a woman that go up on the road a while ago. That's why you dress up so. I am a woman that go up on the road.
Hello. Your woman not half ready. Look
Yo,
like
spin
American.
and roll and turn back, man.
Spin which roll?
Spin and roll and turn back.
Spin which roll? Let me spin it.
Spin and roll and turn back.
Let me spin it.
I want to take me afraid of that.
Let me spin
Take
it.
me afraid of that.
Touch me.
Afraid of that.
Touch me.
Why you? That's very big. Come on, man.
No. You think me not laughing thing? You think me not laughing thing?
Yo, you know, say I still run jokers, friend, man. Come on, man.
No, brother, you're not. What's your man?
Go drink for my Jimmy.
Clothes ain't dirty,
Come
your
on,
hand
man.
must dirty to my. Alright.
Come on, man. I want to see you, man. Come on, brother.
Just saying that you would.
I want to see you, man. Come on, man.
Everything all good.
Everything all good, brother.
Better see some man.
I'm ready to bed. I'm talk to you, Rachel. Now you feel now you here. Let's talk to you feel better. You understand? Because your father don't call me already and tell me say nah, listen. And he send it down you because I know you listen to me. So I just want you do the right thing. You understand? Only bedtime, that I all the time you go up on the bed. You get what I say? So sorry for if you rush you upstairs, but I just rush you up feel better. Yeah. Good.
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm going to go talk to me.
Something to tell you.
Yeah, come in, man.
Uncle, you can get something to eat, please?
So you need to get something to eat already.
Why that not full my belly?
Here, go buy something and shop and come back.
You told me that.
A 500 I spend out of that.
I can't just get it all right.
500.
Why?
Come back home.
Alright, sorry.
I'm there now, baby.
That'd be hard to come and ask me what I'm doing.
No,
Not true.
that's not me, I say, man.
Don't do
You
me
just
what.
forget ignorance of foolishness. Because you know so you go up on the road, you have to call me.
Number one, I noticed you never media get in that. What do I call the word? Ignorant. Are you did that?
Yes, that's calm now, man. Watch out, watch out. That's all listen.
You can't use money and bribe
That's
me.
calm now, man.
You
That's
cannot
calm.
use money and bribe me.
That's calm, baby. I'm telling you, man. I know it's hard.
You did a drink. Stop now. Stop. Stop.
I'm there.
You did a drink. And then come and friend me. Listen, me not in that. Me no drunk man. I do not stop. Stop. That's the bill. We not sober, you can't talk. But if you know, you don't need to talk to me. You can stay on your side of the bed, me go up on my side. Simple.
You know what, I can't bother with this though, you.
Your business.
What do you mean on my business?
Your business, enough for me and feel.
So all of a sudden you have your attitude in a relationship now. All of a sudden you have your attitude you give.
You best
Go on
allow me
road
and go
and
on.
tell me. Eh?
You best allow me and go on.
What do you mean lawyer and go on? You mean
Because I'm in an argument.
left your and go on or come out of your room.
Just come out of my presence, please.
So you want me to go in a pass? Eh? You tell me to come out to your presence and I ask if you want me to go in a pass.
Then if I in there, you have to go in there, then simple.
Yeah, go all the fresh, man.
Can't take this here, man. So I can't dash a problem upon people.
Yes, boss. No, boss. Okay. Well, I tell you what, I never get to done that, you know. But I already take the picture inside, both of the room, all bathroom and everything. Right now, I'm just gonna take some picture on the outside. I can do that the next time. Yeah, I already put up the sign. Yeah, I already put up the sign. Reduce price. Yeah, man, because people on the net was enough people was texting, calling about the price. So I put up a sign. Yes, reduce price. Yeah. Yeah, man, the sign is up, man. Okay. So the only thing, you need a picture of the sign? Alright, hold on. Don't hang up. Alright, so I'm gonna send it in a minute, sir. The only thing I have to do right now is just take some picture on the outside. No, I will take care of the editing. I will just send it to my secretary. Yeah, he'll take care of the editing, and maybe by tomorrow, latest, yeah, can go up on social media, any platform. Yeah. Alright, yes, sir. Sir, one question, please. Yeah, I'm just wondering, maybe I'm just asking maybe when I'm getting a raise. Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Yes.
On your roll and go take a walk, you know, Uncle.
Uncle, me can come?
Come on.
Auntie, why you not come?
Come on, Rachel.
No, this is a problem. Tell him.
Yeah, hello?
Hello.
Hey, Brittany, what's up?
I'm here. How are you?
I'm fine, you?
I'm okay. Just here checking on you if you're okay.
Well, I'm fine, and I'm much better now that you call me. And I was just thinking about you.
Wow. So where you at?
Well, I'm at work as usual. I'm at our phase 3. Just finishing up. I'm just finish up a project right now, trying to edit a house. Can put it on social media that people can maybe buy it quick as possible. I can make some percentage.
Okay, that's so.
So what are you doing right now?
Nothing much, just there lie down.
Lying down.
Yeah.
Well, I'll tell you what. I don't know if maybe I could take you out sometime.
You could come over if you want because my boyfriend is not here at the moment and his niece is not here.
Tell you the honest truth. I don't really like to come over, you know, knowing that you have a boyfriend and all that. But I tell you what, I'm an honest person. I just can stop by and say hi for a minute or a few.
Alright, no problem.
Cool?
Alright, cool.
Alright, bye.
Alright, later. Messing in location.
Father, blessed my daddy here. Heart of love. Yeah, man, me go down in the lane go check our virgin. I respect my brother. You know, say, me I want to say if I want to write movies. If I go check a lady and know say me with the man. You know, so I feel like I want to wrong movies. Anyway, I don't reach already. Matter of fact, I'm my brown in a road, my baby. Hold on there. Sure me right, this a house, I mean know a house here. A house here supposed to maybe around 25-30-year-old. A house here when me buck me wicked baby mother when him chose and you look cocky eye. When give me my first youth. And he keep me away from my son, he hide me from my son up till today day I have no contact with my youth. That girl is a wicked girl. Next thing me about that girl right now is a she over bridge. But anyhow, hope one day I can get contact with you. Me know say me know a house. Me know say me know a house.
Hello?
Yeah, hello. Brittany, what's up?
I'm here.
Don't tell me that you fall asleep. Your voice look low.
No, I'm not fall asleep.
Okay, I was just telling you that you're outside.
Alright, come outside, come meet you.
Yeah, do that, please and thanks.
Alright.
One more thing. Please don't leave at somewhere like I see you the other day, right?
Alright, I will.
Okay. Nice place.
Thank you. You can come inside because the neighbor them there really nosy and they used to see me and my boyfriend alone and they used to know other man they here, so you get what I say. So might as well then go see you and carry news because they love sus. So you basically come inside.
Tell you what, I don't think for the first to get inside it's a wise idea, but listen, I'm a businessman. So we are just, maybe if someone bring back a news to your boyfriend, you can do the maths. You're good at maths, right?
Yes, I'm good at maths.
So you can do the maths.
Alright.
So, that's it.
Alright, sit right here.
What's up?
Come here, so how was the day?
Well, first thing first, it was a disaster till you called me.
Oh, that not so
But
bad.
I got two good news.
What else?
I got, you want to hear them?
Yes.
Well, first wonderful news that I have when you call me. I guess I make my day.
Okay.
And then my boss was talking on the phone about some business deal. And then he tell me that he's gonna give me a raise. I was making 15 mil a year.
Wow.
And then I'm gonna make 25. But you know what make it very better? When I sell maybe a house, I make percentage. And sometimes if I get a house to sell for 10 million, sometimes I can tell the person I'm gonna sell the house for that the people them balling on the high price, so I can maybe they can take off a 2 mil. And when I sell it back now, I sell it for the same 10, but I just make them feel like I take off something.
Oh,
And then I sell it back for a 12 mil. So I'm making 2 and 2. So tell you what, enough about me. What about you? How was your day?
My day wasn't great because me and my boyfriend is not really you know what I mean, right? Me and my boyfriend keep cussing and all of those stuff.
Well,
I'm stressed. I'm going on the road with my niece. Them asked me if I want to come and tell them no. Well, basically,
you have a niece?
yeah, my niece are here now for a couple of weeks, I guess.
So, how the relationship with you and your niece?
Well, it's okay. We have a great relationship. I don't have any
So
fault
why you
with
guys
her.
fighting? You guys don't love each other anymore?
I won't say that. Yes, we love one another the same way, but
Sure, because remember, you have love and you have love, you can love a person. And maybe you can love a person but not in love with that person. So I'm just saying, maybe that's one of the problems you guys fighting.
well, he's saying that I'm the problem, but I don't see what I did wrong, right? Basically, on the same day that you saw me when I said I was gonna get my nails done,
Yeah, just the other day.
that same day, everything started there because he's saying that I didn't call him and tell him that I was going to do my nails, which I told his niece, but it seems like he needs them a message, so everything far back for me.
Well, I'm not here to split justice and take up for you or your boyfriend. But like how we're talking about the situation, I guess it's your fault.
The reason why I didn't call him because I didn't have any signal. The service wasn't
And you
up by
explained
then.
that to him?
I explained all of that to him and he he was cursing.
Alright, I'll tell you what. This is day one and we talk about your relationship with your boyfriend. So we don't, you know, this is tomorrow. I will call you and then you can talk about me and you, okay?
Alright, no problem.
Alright, one
So,
more time.
have a nice day.
Same to you, right?
Alright.
Good evening, Auntie. Good evening. On the Monday, I will come and in dark glass.
Oh, I'm a businessman. So,
Businessman?
yeah.
Alright.
Look at me, Tom.
Oh God.
alright.
Yes.
I'm telling you. When I just buy food on the road, you I'm telling you.
When I just come, you see Auntie and one man. Now one
Which man?
glass.
Which man?
One man now one dark.
On my veranda?
Yeah, when we come in the
You come like you're machine.
Yeah, so you made it to the end of the movie. Just there to make you know, say, like, share, and subscribe. That link,
You
I
know
will
the
tell you the
badness.
rest.
Boom,
What you
son.
need to do.
I mean, I say big up to my fans them again. Big up on yourself. Fully. And if you not try to get to me on the media and you don't know, the bird kind of mash up, you know, you see the phone kind of mash up, so you know, say new phone soon come in. You see
Yeah,
me?
man, you can contact the dog number same way.
Boom, so yeah, you
No one
can
help
call
him
me
out with that
straight.
phone. You're right.
You can call me straight, you know, but
Yeah.
very, you know.
Bless up everybody. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Comment the best part down in the comment section. And big up the rest of the channel them. Coloring Book TV, PFS Film, DS himself. You know?
Hello. What kind of man needs to come up with upon my veranda today?
Yeah, that boy.
What you mean when me a talk about?
Who tell you that?
Me and my niece gone on the road. And I say me I go take a walk. And that's saying you want to take no walk with me because you know you have man a come here.
Listen,
Eh?
let me say something to you. Yes, before you come to me, come accuse me and ask me questions.
What you mean? What kind of question
Let me
is
say
ask you?
something to you. Listen. You know the reason why they said I need to come down, alright? Because she lie.
Oh.
See me every time I saw a little girl just come down and start to lie upon me already? Really? And look how me love the little girl, really? I'll pick up fear, you know, so she lie.
Hello, when you always walk with me, Mr. Me I go walk, when Mr. Me I go walk, you know, come none at
But the
all.
reason I never come because me in one disagreement and I never did want to come on attention, did they be? You know me stare. I don't like the man for me, man. I just
So
come
nothing
and
go so?
Why mother care man play a van there in the public and oh, my mother disrespect her like that.
So the little girl that try to mash up some now relationship. What the little girl that wicked some man?
Maybe she don't like me.
Yeah, sorry about that, yeah man. Sorry about that, yeah man. Try to tell you. And I come here and say a box, me I come back sit down here.
I second family this now when I like me and then now come blame me about it.
Sorry about that. You all got cake or something?
Yeah.
Sorry about that, you there? Yo, hold on, I'm gonna go to her, me I fall. Just get ready, me I come.
Alright.
Yo. Rachel, why is some wicked line?
What with the uncle? This my time.
What you mean when you do? I said thing your father talk about that sign saying I come down here, you know?
Uncle, me not tell her like for Auntie Brittany.
Listen to me, I say. I'm going to give you a rule in this house. And you see if you can't go by it, you pack your things and go back up by your father. Anything you see in this house,
Uncle,
you let it stay. What you mean if I believe her? She could have never survived to carry man come here.
Uncle, me I tell her when me stood me 2 eye them and I asked her who that man there and she said he's a businessman.
Rachel, stop telling me lie. Hey, I'm not even want. Sorry, my niece, okay? Just continue to watch her. If the next time when you see her do nothing, if you see her do nothing, you just video it. Here, come on, get the information, then straight. Here. I'm gonna tell you to stop telling me lie now. Stop telling me lie, girl, come in, send you up. Hey.
Know worry yourself, man. What's in the dark must come out to the light.
Why you two? Come and go on like you're asleep. Look a brat. What you wait me for? Remember when I wake up, I'm telling you this now. Yeah, but I feel like say you're going to come here and mash up me and my man relationship. You plan to say you watch me, but guess what? Me I watch you. So I feel like say you're going to be here and you're going to slip. Trying to say you're going to slide back at your yard and you're going to make your uncle make a whoop. Because that's not going to work here. I tell her that. Oi, just try to remember what I tell you. He made a joke with you. Little brat. Yeah.
Me? Where did you go?
So I use the bathroom.
Oh, morning. Good?
Yeah, alright.
You just get up?
Yeah, I'm just a while ago to use the bathroom.
Oh, you feel like Rachel wake up or something?
No man, I'm partially just sleep.
So, you think we can look out for breakfast because you know what you're there and so if you get something to eat.
It was like a pig over, egg and bread and something. Or they want cornflakes or... You get me saying?
I'm actually not picnic. I'll be my 15.
But I still picnic and me there fear if I them something me love when time me a picnic.
So you want for breakfast?
Anything.
What is anything?
We never go find something in a shop with anything because you know so we never know more.
Or maybe you want macaroni and cheese?
No.
You want porridge? You want to just look more, want to look at early breakfast like just cook. Something like
Callaloo
it.
and something.
Callaloo and dumpling.
Yeah, that bad.
You have callaloo here?
No, I forget it. I want me cook dumpling and don't stew chicken. That
Yeah. Much better.
curry your favorite but me I give them soup.
Alright. Current don't run with way now. Alright, so just go and look about you know what I mean I'm gonna done.
Alright then, I'll call Africa. I know some people clean up before I cook.
Yeah,
Come
man.
and cook for us.
Come and help them, come. Yes, Father God. Thank you for one more day, you know?
Let's turn up the bed for a long. That open up a window or something.
Yeah, man.
I still feel tired.
Well, I feel tired I wanted to know work last night.
You know about
But
one babe.
I'm excited. I said time late.
Yeah,
9:40 something.
Yeah.
You know, so if you go on the farm, though, go help Top Link. Just go meet him on the weed farm, you know.
So I can never tell me earlier so I could have wake.
I never remember because one night time I wake up from 6 o'clock and I push her back your arm, so I'm tired too. Yo, I can't bother help you here, so you have meat already, right? You can't look around
the fridge, everything there.
Alright, when I come back, I help you. Here, I go in the bathroom and do me for the wash about. There, baby.
Alright, babe.
Love you.
Love you.
Come here.
You don't change the sugar cane.
Come here.
No, you let me drop something.
Later.
Yeah.
No, we can't see boy tank up in a man. Me tell him so if you come early in a man can deal with the sitting them in a. Dog, me alone after there so I bottled up the thing them in a man. Father, what going in your brain for build them a sit here? God almighty. I best boy me love one now. Worm not too dependent. I know caterpillar. Where you there?
I come over my friend.
Forward now scream and look how long. Which side in it? Look how long me just wait pound the bad man. Oh! Come in a man tank up. You make me alone there, so brother, if you check your high grade them bad man.
Ah, there you
You like up on the next bush, you can like down as some of you. True down as you can get free go a little way.
No, my youth, you don't know, I sleep with youth.
You sleep too much, daddy.
I'm not bad, bro. And I'm really tired of youth. Because I didn't really plan to come up on the bush, you know. Because see, last time, me up here, me alone, and police running. Me fear dive in a bush so youth. And no other thing to me not like come up here. My bumbo last time a 40 leg nearly bite me out and then me see snake. Them afraid youth.
Dog, you complain too much youth. That's why I don't like care upon this farm, daddy. I don't like care too much bush in a brother with chat. You see, you can't even see your foot. How did they insect you, man?
So me I tell them I don't like come up here.
Brother, a bee is that, daddy. I trick you about insect. You just love chat up your mouth, daddy. Yo, go and look if you see no caterpillar pan in the mask. You see me I sweat? And from morning, me there up on the ground, you know. I have to build up a hard cliff, look while out of the tree up the side. I cut on the tree, you know.
Yo, but I mean nobody here and tell bossy, you don't chat that.
Relax, man. I'm tell you, daddy. Bossy can't have wherever you so. I want a bun and them a weed. I go through with nostril every day. You're mad.
Yo, you me say, I'm not even feel for bother start work it, you know. Because around my yard, me there, and I jump up, and as I jump up, you know. I just come over your fat, I have to brush my teeth and wash my face, you know.
What?
Just calm down, man.
Yo, go on over this, You know, see if you come on the farm with no think about daddy, no talk over your weed. No talk over your weed, father. Watch it there. You can't do that, bad man.
You me say, man?
Next time I tell you code them about the farm, daddy, you can't do that.
I'm going to eat some food and I'm going to come back and deal with them, you know, man. I tell you.
No, you're talking. Go on, my fault. Brush off your break them off a weed dog.
I know saying if you deal with man as a general.
No bad bro, but a correction for you feel that if you're not beard, you can't company feel. You don't know that if you touch no girl saltfish, that worse make you can't company feel. And if your mouth,
Come on man, I'm not say something.
come in bro, you can't do me bossy thing then that. What you hold now, man? You drop in your hole.
That's why I don't like come over here, you would.
Brother, easy man. If you be a man, brother, and stop be a weak jelly back.
You think boss you pay away for dropping at them?
Well, I'm bad, bro. What's so far, brother?
I'll run there.
Yeah. So you're coming with your slippers?
No.
Try them play that.
The clear one I use, and then one that I wear that you.
Thank you.
And Smith use them also. You can stop this one. You wanna use the hand and eat. What kind of ask you want for or something?
The man hungry man, man not
You don't know what she hand.
Let the game on fuck. Hey, man.
Here, see fuck here. What the fuck?
Yeah. Can you give me drinks?
No, some drink, sir.
Can I have a cup of drinks, something?
Here. This man they move like you're not used to food. You're not used to food? Hello, man, what you doing?
Morning, uncle.
Morning, Rachel.
Morning, Auntie Brittany.
Morning.
Yeah, can I get my food, please? Auntie.
Yeah, if you have food, Brittany.
You know what I said? That's why
Yeah, man.
I figured.
From the name into that, a good man.
But babe, from before me left this morning, the ask you say, when me and Rachel go eat. So
But
what
we
if you
never-
figure Rachel?
Babe, listen up. I'm really sorry about that. I'm really sorry. It's just because I'm not used to pick up with somebody. But I'm sorry about that. Me I saw eat and live over this. If I want me give her, I can't give her.
Hey, look at.
Maybe have a pint still.
Look at.
That's my favorite food. I like showing.
No negative.
What?
More like your food.
Who done?
It's early. Up and early.
Me don't eat. Me don't hurt.
That's just a man. You're mad. We have to go deal with boss here, man. I do that, brother, man.
Alright, at
You
least
must say I'm so weak, you know, man. So if we not do your job, man, I'll go get paid.
5 minutes. We'll spend 5 minutes, man.
Yeah, man. You can't cool off, look at it, and go back and match it. So you good, Dominique?
Alright.
Alright, make sure here.
You sure you know how many dumplings?
It's a good one.
Brittany, I don't give me a eat and left.
Here.
Think I alone a belly boy, watch out. Feel like a man now.
Yeah. Walk on your earth and the tongue safe over there. Easy. Later.
Your shirt.
Yeah, looking at me.
So you look for me so far.
Nothing.
Actually, I want to tell you. It's because I'm greedy. See, they have gone near my food. But my cough up and spit up in her.
What? Me not go eat, you eat and left for long year. Just remember today for me and tomorrow for you. Just know say you a watch me and me a watch you, yeah.
Listen, let me say something to you. You're going like say, for my husband a year, man.
Your husband and I'm a man. Your husband and my uncle. You deal with me like me a big woman. You must deal with me like me a child. Me a 15. And one more thing. What kind of secret you have where you think me know?
As when you brush your teeth, you come on the farm, you feel better, you know.
Lazy, me feel lazy, dog. Alright, now I just done sell down your food.
Brother, if you tap me nigga right, it's well a bad man.
You need to catch some water from the tank and put it up.
Mm-hmm. You see?
Not even drink no water, I not even know if fly going like that.
Calm down, daddy.
What you say now? Start your work.
Yeah.
So we go pick off them at though.
No, me a son sitting there, so I'm getting if you come down, man.
If you deal with it.
You do it picking, you see it?
Alright.
You know, youngster. Chop where I chop today, you see where I chop out the bush them. You see bush them on the foot, so if
So deal with it then now.
If no sing it there, we can see them more.
Hello?
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want something to bring.
Can I use the laptop, please?
Okay. Which one?
Sure, anyone. Alright, have a nice day, alright? Yeah, hello.
What's up?
What's up? I was just in the computer place trying to type in Brittany to find out your location. What's up? And here you call.
Here now. With a home.
Oh, you at home?
Yeah.
So what are you doing?
Nothing much. Just stay here, sit down.
Sitting down? Well, so you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I was asking what are you doing today?
Well, I'm trying to take care of some business. I'm in the town right now. That's the most location I can give you at the moment.
Or in the town?
Yeah, but I tell you what, if you're interested, I'm gonna leave about phase 3, maybe in the next hour, take care of some business.
Okay.
So I'm giving you 2 choices. If you wanna come, or we can have something maybe to drink later on and I leave back.
Oh, that must sound bad. We can have something to drink later on in the evening.
So that's a friendly link up or that's a deal?
Well, you can make it a date.
You can make
And
it a
please
deal.
don't be late.
Alright, that's cool.
Alright.
Alright, big up yourself, right?
Okay.
I remember I'm tracking you right now. Be careful the move that you make.
Okay.
Alright, have a blessed day, alright?
Alright, same to you.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah, Mr. Oil here. Can you, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, you can just, yeah, call him on the next line, please. Alright, thanks. Yes, boss. Yeah, man, Mr. Oil. Yeah, I'm just reach out phase 3. Um, no, sir. Me alone work today. Yeah, what I really want to say now, sir, I'm just running through the house that you sent me to check out. For the 25 year, I'm doing this work, sir. All the experience. Yeah, all the experience. I'm just saying, sir, if you should buy this house, I'm think you're gonna lose. You're not gonna make back your money plus the percentage. I'm running through the house. I write down all the necessary information and I take some picture. And also I'm doing some video footage to send you. Yeah, I don't know who is the contractor, but what I really sure about, the wall lean, the foundation, oh my God, they do a lazy job, sir. So I'm just saying, I'm the one you send out on the road to take care of your business. So I'm just saying, if you're gonna spend your money and buy this house, I'm just feeling like this is a lose-lose situation for you and for me. Alright, I tell you what, sir, I'm gonna send you all the necessary information and then you can see it for yourself. Okay, yeah, yes, sir. Thank you. Alright, yes, boss. Have a blessed day. Alright.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Brittany.
Yeah.
Tell you what, I'm gonna leave off work early today. I just finish up.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna leave work early. So I tell you what, I'm gonna leave right now. I'm gonna go home right now. So when you're ready, you can just text me or call me or leave a voice note where I should meet you.
Alright, so how far you live from where you're at now?
Well, to tell you the honest truth, I think in Red Ground, but my place is not down here. Cause remember, I'm from up the line. But the work that I'm doing right now, I can be right here, I can be there at the moment. So I move from parish to parish. So I'm just staying at a friend place at this moment.
Alright, so I'll let you know when I'm ready.
Okay, cool.
Alright, I'll get ready now.
Yeah, man, blessed. Yeah, hello. Yeah, man, I'm me again, man. Girl, you know, say, although I'm a baby mother and me not get along. Yo, a long time, yeah, keep me from my son, you know. My son a big man, you know, more involved in my son life, you know. Me don't know if he love cricket, me don't know if he love football, me don't know how much subject he have. Come on, bro, man. Make bygone be bygone, man. And me always try to call you. Try to get in my son life. How much ear I know you try to keep me away from my son? Much ear I know you try to keep me away from my son.
Babe.
Hello.
Hello.
And Eileen, me there come on now, you know.
An alien?
Yeah.
Alright.
What you do?
No, I'm not doing nothing, but that's there.
Oh, no good.
Yeah, man, no good.
Alright, me just come on 5 bike taxi so and Eileen now will come now.
Alright, babe.
Alright.
Yeah. Oh, if you come home so early, if you go on date. No, come up with something, Brittany. Come up with something, please. Yes, I'm going to say I'm going to shop. Oh, the uncle I talked to you about your bed already. Girl, get up, man. My wife got to shop and buy something for me.
You can buy one.
Attitude you give me.
I'm not getting attitude.
My wife buy something and shop for me. Buy one Lasco. I can buy one drinks for the face.
What flavor after?
Buy one pink one.
Pink if I have to buy.
Vanilla.
Oh yeah,
Brittany sent me the shop.
Brittany send me a shop. So buy one now.
One
Drink.
Lasco.
Lasco. So I'm gonna buy 3 pack of Lasco that day. And plus I'm gonna go to supermarket around 30,000 I spend. So Brittany for you go to shop.
Me need to know my son, me need to get in your life. Me lose out much time already because of you.
Have you done?
Anyways, I'm going to the no call. Nobody no come here. Nothing at all.
No,
Sure. You know, you're nothing at all. Your phone or ring.
no, not
Alright, good girl then.
Yeah, hello?
No, but make it go because something come up.
Repeat again.
I'm not going to make it do because something come up and we can't get to come.
If you just continue to work with me and I make sure that nothing not go on and keep your ears them good.
think I will do.
Then me say, which part my work? You weed for my work, man? Go on a shop and come back. Here? Like where you work with me still, here?
Yeah.
Alright, uncle love you. Yeah, that plate my reaching, man.
No, something I've got planned to next time.
Well, I know the problem why you cannot make it, man.
What's the problem?
The problem is maybe your husband come home early and you never expect him to come home so early, so you're just giving me something. But that's cool.
How you know that?
Well, basically I'm a street guy, so you just have to think out the box.
Okay.
But I tell you what, I'm just make a next date. That's cool with me, okay?
Alright, no problem.
Alright, big up yourself, man.
Alright, we go.
Cool. Alright, hang up.
Alright.
Alright, my father, and I'm Morris. B,
Yeah.
I'm going there talking about jumping on the phone, my love.
Babe, I sing with that sing way about you here talk about. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
I love you, baby. Yeah. I love you. Yeah, that's it.
Oh, you miss me?
I miss you. You don't miss me?
Yeah, of course.
That's when I should buy something for me.
Yeah, it made the last got done how many buy?
You wear a flavor me one of the year.
Oh, I mean, so me spend my money on the day 30,000 some market for me under why I send go shop. Me think of some jeans or something.
No. But if I want to do, I want to do.
Oh,
So, go there.
of course.
Well, good night.
Yeah, hello? The wicked baby mother hang up. You know how long someone I try to keep my son from me? My son a big man I know. More involved in my son life. I don't even know him right now. I see him and him down one bar, have a drink or play some game or something. I don't know, so my son. God on time, my friend, man. God on time.
Listen,
Babe, me a going to go deal with something. I'm going to work.
deal with what?
Business.
What kind of business, boy? You never say nothing to me from last night or nothing or...
Baby,
You
I
just
trust
put
me.
on... I not trust you. Of course I trust you, but you can't show you just wake up and like if me ain't say nothing to you, you would tell me.
No, man, they go to us when I go to the Tony's, but...
When you go ahead, I tell you. That's a bad habit to do. Because you should have wait up and tell me.
Sorry about that.
Okay, that's good. Anyways, I'm going to go work today because I'm really tired still. I'm with a plan for spend the whole of my day out there today, but you change on everything after you go up on the road.
Don't you ever tell me say you want to spend a day with me?
But you never tell me say you go up on the road. Where you go up on the road?
But that's the thing, but they tell me from earlier.
Where you go up on the road?
I'm not stay long, babe.
Yeah, me up me and say what you go do.
Babe, it's a surprise. But I'm everything woman now going to come go to them hotel them, man. Like, suppose a woman thing me I deal with. You get what I'm saying?
I deal with man thing and me tell you.
No, that's different that you want to tell me.
Alright, man, let's stop telling then.
Yeah, alright, you know.
Well, just hurry up and come back because I just want to spend the time with you. You understand?
Alright. I'm going to leave her for now. So.
Kiss me, baby.
Chuck!
I'm bother with that kiss me, baby.
Me have a lip gloss.
Mwah.
Wait, I'm take out my bag because I'm not going to get this.
So you have money and everything?
Oh, you want the money? I joke, alright, me have money.
Okay.
Yeah.
And money I'm the other day, you favor?
I always save my money. You know, see me the time for girl. Bye.
iPhone I know.
Yeah, hello? Brittany, what a surprise. No, I'm not at work. No, I'm at home. I just take a day today to clean up. Yeah, I'm just was sweeping up and trying to pack up some clothes. Maybe in the evening I want to go down in the town to send off some money to give to the person. Although I'm a friend and all that still, but I just want to send off some money to give him to make me stay here. You serious? Alright, listen, I'm in Red Ground. I'm going to send you a location. Naturally, just take a bike taxi. Because that's the reason I need to drive my car, because the road is so bad. Okay, alright. Call me when I reach at the gate. Cool. Like this a girl that really eager to see me. Yeah, hello?
Oh yeah, I'm there out of the gate now. You can come in, please?
Alright, give me a minute, alright? And just in case I was here, I'm folding up some clothes, so if you come and see the bed look over, you know? Alright, come in.
Alright then. Yeah.
Firm. Oh, Brittany.
Hi.
What's up?
Nothing.
Looking nice.
Thank you.
Just wake up and the day was so sad. I know you just brighten
You
up
look
the day.
nice too.
Oh, thanks. You ready?
Sure.
So what's up?
I won't pack your this there.
Oh, sorry. One of the car when I drive, but as I say, the road is so bad, so I all drive. Sometimes I just take taxi or just short one car. I'm help you about.
Oh. You don't really have me about thanks.
Yeah, man. You know you have to just be a man, you see me?
Yeah,
come on, go on.
But I don't know which part to go here to myself to go on.
Yeah, man. You can just follow the scent. That fresh scent like a cologne. Yeah, man.
Yes, right?
Right. Ladies first. And as I said before, I was just cleaning up because I don't have the time to clean up, so I was just cleaning up. But you can sit, you know.
Right?
Yeah, man, sit, man. Alright, well, here's a bag. I just say never that too heavy. Well, first things that I said, this place is one of my friend, but because him married and gonna live with him fiance, so me tell him say him want him look a place him for rent. So him tell me, say me can't just go and use him place. Cause naturally, when I'm in Negril, I just here for 2 weeks or maybe a month, and then my new location it can be anywhere, Mobile, Kingston, Portland, anywhere, cause the type of work I do. So basically, as when I tell up on the phone, just want to send him my money. He don't really want the money, but basically me that one hotel man have to pay same way.
True.
So why you change your mind so quick? Cause when you call me and tell me like, you see me?
Well, when I'm going to the town, I never really I'm going to deal with something and it never take long. So I say why not give you one link before I go back, because I never get to see other day.
Okay, so you know this kind of really feel great. And this mean a lot cause you can see so you really are trying for we just get to know each other on a good term.
Yeah.
You see me, so it mean a lot. But basically to when me I get now out of my knowledge come like you know when a local girl not a local girl like some local school girl going to the prom, but maybe the clothes where their mother give them them just put in some clothes in them bag to look more proper. So I feel like you make one of them look run the quick and fast.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie, sir.
Well, to be honest, I really like you, but I'm not the type of person to go to bed or for the first time and don't know the person. So I just really want to know your favorite color and your name and you know how school I used to go. Like you know, I want to get real if you know you. You see me? So basically, we can just talk and for 5 minutes and then you can just go into the bathroom and get the things together and we can. A matter of fact, me already have on some clothes.
So, you want to stay here or you want to go?
No man, we're going on a date, man.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going on a date, we just try to catch up and each other. Like, you know, you get to know me get to know you, because by an idea. I'm not the type of talking to a person and just explain to my friends, say, yo, just meet a girl and buy an idea, me can't tell him nothing about the girl and me think you feel the same way about how me feel. You get what I say? Yeah.
Yes.
So basically we just have a 5-minute talk and get to know each other, you see me? And I really appreciate so you come link the same way, you understand? Because basically before you come check me on the phone, I call Chaja, I call baby mother, wicked girl.
Well, you have a child.
Well, I get me have a child where him know my name from he pick me a child, him hide him from him. Now kill me try if you know the youth. Right now me pass the youth down the road right now, me never know saw him. So them things kinda stress me out more. But that's that. Me not there have to make you have a nice time. So yes you know.
I'm this type of person, I'm not really fussy, like small things do matter. Like if we go on a date now, I would choose like if we go on the beach or something small. I'm not really
So
want
you like the beach?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I not really like
Well I like the me like the river, so that's cool. The river that's cool.
Yeah, river nice.
Yeah.
So me a good girl, like I like staying a road thing and not really for me.
Well you don't like the road, you don't like party.
Not really, but me wake up party, but me not
Well,
really
me
like
love party, but me don't love party. So me never get a drift.
Get the
Meaning like if me get the time,
Yeah.
me really want to go and party and enjoy myself. But differently, me just like to work, save, and think about 50, 60. Me can just quiet and go draw money and think about, you get what I say? So that's just me. Basically, when my fun time, when me have my fun time, I like to play football, like to listen. It's like a little Vice Cartel, Chronicle, and also yeah, big up Tupac. You get what I say?
Yeah.
Basically, I might think that is me. And anytime, maybe if somebody mess with me, I just like to focus and listen to some song. That's me. I'm a person where you step on my foot 3 times, that's cool. When the time the cup overflow,
You just overflow.
it just overflow, and that's a one dark room. You get what me say? What about you?
I really like your violence.
So you don't tell me that you have a nice smile. You never tell me that.
Well, I'm thinking, would I see it
Well, I
already?
see it and I'm telling you.
Okay,
And it's not a compliment, it's a fact.
that's right.
Yeah.
Well, I think like if the both of you, I'm just saying, I think if the both of you, if you get in like in a relationship wise, I think.
Well, what you going to turn out? That's the question you're asking me. What you want to turn out?
Well, based on what I see so far, I don't know you, know nothing, but based on what I see so far.
Liking a person, you don't have to know a person. You just like him. No matter if I'm a gunman, thief, pastor, you just like him. And basically that's what you doing right now. Liking me, you don't know nothing about me.
That's right.
And I'm liking you back, I don't know nothing about you. So basically liking, loving a person, you have no limit who you're liking. But basically now, first thing first, you have a man, maybe a husband, you have a life. Me used to have a life. And basically me get over that. So I'm just single right now. You get what me I say. And to be honest, me can't tell us that tomorrow we are going married or tomorrow me go sweep you away and put you in my house, keep you from your man. No, me don't know. But the best thing we can tell you right now, you know where you're getting to, I mean what me I get into. So only thing we can tell you right now, just take it step by step.
No,
after the way we feel about each other, you see me? So basically that me can't tell you, because I now tell you say, raise me.
Yeah. Shit.
What?
I don't know what's the time later.
What time?
5:30.
Shit. So basically we can't go on a date then.
Basically. So, ready for camera open now?
Sure. Leave the door open. Because inside the house hot. I want to tell you say, you go bolt. Not hot like what just happened a while ago. I have to give you a compliment, mama. Props. Yeah, man. You're full of style like cartel. Yeah, bro, in a real life. Like, me, when I expect say you want full of so much style, you know, feel like you want just dead like certain artists. You see me? But bro, pure freestyle, you have freestyle. I kind of love that. And one more thing still. I'm kind of really sorry, sir. But I never get to go up on the date.
That alright.
But watch out now. That date can't stay. This date, the best date me have in a long while. Look how me a sweat.
I'm sweating, but
Oh my God.
sweat kind of dry up now.
I want to tell us, call the bike taxi already, so you can just meet him out on the front. And one more thing, just stop down at the Burger King, get a cold one, come in want to bring home my scent. You get what I say? In real life.
Yo, you know I'm breaking this little while, you know. Bumba, right. Yo, you know what I'm supposed to say? You know what I'm supposed to say? Father God, I'm breaking this little while.
Shit. Alright, bike taxi them man.
I'm looking at see, you know. I see Brittany a little while. I'm not eat that to bomb back. I know I'm in a psycho. Judge of Father God. Yo, fire stick.
Yo.
What go on?
Alright, bro.
I know my dog.
Where you get bike from?
So my boy give me a little spin, man, because put on no clothes and he said, kind of match to it as it. So give me a spin up bike. That's a bike feel nice.
Yeah, man. Like you have to make a portal more while, man. I rev up on the road and something, man.
Yeah, dog, but I wonder if I bike make me a feeling weird because
What kind of way?
I know me pass on the road look while I'm see Brittany in the
Far
road.
over. Huh? What you say?
How are you in there?
I mean, I need to say, man. I downtown Brittany there, man. I downtown is Brittany.
I'm mad.
What you say, Art?
On the back road me I come.
No, man. No, man. I'm not chasing, man. I downtown no man to me
But
say
I'm
that.
not eat that dog. Me
No,
not
me
eat
not
that
say I eat that, but me I tell you, and a Brittany, you see. From
Bro.
my woman say a downtown in Ghana, man. That's something special in my deal for me and her, man.
You know, make it think I pause in my mind, daddy. If somebody look naked or a full black in daddy. Cause me know me see Britain, daddy.
Yeah, a black in left out in a man, but on a red gun you see, man, halfway down in a town, man. Maybe I bike as well, so maybe in a town you pass her, man.
No, daddy, I'm not going to town because I don't say no my bike, I don't want the police take it from my father, so I ride through.
No, man, maybe I somebody else, man, in a different black clothes and shit, man. No,
daddy.
May I tell you, Anna Brittany. You get me, I say? Anna Brittany, man. May I tell you, me sure of that, man. Sure.
God, no, dog. Right now, I know Brittany, me see daddy. I mean, not eat that. So one time, me ride too fast, daddy, Joe, I'm glad for you bike. Me I move too fast, daddy.
Watch out, man.
Let me turn back.
A whole heap of Brittany, they are red gun, you know, so mine a different Brittany, say, enough for me want that.
In a full black. Whole heap of Brittany red gun in a full black.
Yes. Kind of my virgin have a sister named Brittany, just might be like the one day, see, and I might want.
All cold sweat start wash me from me see somebody on the bike, daddy, me I wonder. What go on? Me know Brittany, me see daddy. Me know Brittany look. Me know Brittany.
You see my Brittany, she black. And she nice and everything. She just unique. Different Brittany. My Brittany now mix up with them the Brittany there. You get what me I say?
Unique. Right now look like him I use street brother, cause me know Brittany me see on the street look well brother. If somebody look right in my face, and me see somebody kinda gossip brother when them turn on back your bike brother. If somebody missing, like
brother.
disappear, she disappear, bad man.
Brittany just black and different. That's what me I tell you. Different Brittany I say man. You I get me I say.
What
But why pretty different? We not burn on that.
I just feel like my brain gone to one place daddy cause
Care about your bike man. I bike man I get to your brain man.
judge your father.
The bike I get. I mean need stay I go on easy you know.
God no dog. Me one day freak. But you know what? That should have tell bro and I'm man freak. That should have.
So you're upon, you have a bike man, you're upon a drink to rum
Right now, and me look for me one sit I say the bro tree and bro got me call link if you tell you this now. Hey, say wanna see me today now? I'll bow up money there now.
I know say, me that try link this man if you actually go up on the work and me say, me need to go. So me tired.
Work?
Me no go brother, me say, you go tomorrow too.
When you have bike you know work daddy, you just make sure you have gas and petrol. Move out.
I'm there still, me not even can touch the road there because me and my niece there today in the
I
house.
want to touch the road with me. If you want a man bike back brother, bother with that. We can buy if you want.
That's okay.
Bother with that. So, no, I saw it in there. Thirsty man.
No, me no water. Pipe water no.
Yeah, drinks in every
cola. No. Drinks no.
Dog, you see me I sweat daddy and me hot. And I come in a place and I can't even get something cool down brother. You go back style in the daddy.
Yo, easy man. You get some drinks man. Go on in the kitchen and get some drinks. Go on man, go on.
I have to like you're alone at it. Come on.
Nothing there.
Yo, you see if you ever she tapping for your red gun for through. Yo, wait till it come. You good my niece?
Yeah.
We have the bar phone. No.
Yeah. I cook no food.
No, so when you cook no food to them, I'm not have no drinks in the way out about water.
Right.
No, I come on. Oh, may I tell us a youth, from the day I'm there, man, may I tell us I'm boring, all may I try screw through TikTok. Look at that, man.
Listen.
I tell us from the day I'm there, boring. I'm just going and scroll through TikTok and go and enjoy it, you know? Catch your man's camp on the road to come back and
So
something.
you like TikTok too?
No, I don't like TikTok.
So you go on TikTok? Like
Me?
girls go on TikTok, daddy.
Babe, good evening.
Where you come from?
So when you ask me that, I you ask me that already from day.
Yeah, go in your room.
Where me back
Go in your room. Go in your room.
Okay. So when you show me not going so far?
No, see.
Yo, where you go?